How to factory reset iPhone with Find My. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If Find My iPhone was enabled before the device got locked, iCloud provides an easy way to factory reset your iPhone without a password remotely and wirelessly. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for iCloud.com. Now sign in using your Apple ID credentials. Once signed in, navigate to the Find My iPhone option by scrolling through and then select All Devices from the top menu. Now, from the list of devices, choose the iPhone that is locked and you want to reset. Once you have opened the iPhone, you will see the Erase option. Tap on the Erase iPhone option to remotely wipe the device and reset it to its factory settings. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.